So now if anything were to break, you know, obviously the next point would be the blade itself, which is what we want. We want the blade to break, not other things. So we can. This is only a 25 horsepower shredder, but it's got almost as much torque at the tip as our 200 horsepower. So one thing that we found in our older models, that back plate wasn't strong enough. So when the blades were the material would come up and around, you would end up, if something, like if a blade broke, something got in there, it was strong enough to bend that back plate. So now we have this plate that goes over it. This is the bar that goes across where the blades get attached to it. And it used to just be this. So this was the whole thing, and then the blade goes onto this. So if material came in and jammed up, you had a chance of this buckling. So now the way we build it is on the back side, we have this plate and it's got a bend in it. And then we have all these that slide in here for extra support. And if I can get in there, you get the idea. So there's a bunch of these going through, and this sits directly behind the blade holder. So it gives it support. It's all welded together. So it's extra strength there. So now we have that to where it's holding. So now if anything were to break, you know, obviously the next point would be the blade itself, which is what we want. We want the blade to break, not other things. So we can replace a blade, but replacing the blade holder is a lot harder. So you can see here, this is that back plate right here that goes on the back behind the blade. So you can see the blade sticking out behind there. So that there gives it strength. So just like this, and then the blade, you can imagine, just on the bottom part of that. So so yeah, much better with that setup.